Connective tissues in our body are of three types: fluid connective tissue, supporting connective tissue, and connective tissue proper. In the last video, we studied how supporting connective tissues provide support and movement. Now, let's focus on connective tissue proper, which helps in packing, protection, repair, and storage. It is broadly classified into loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. Areolar tissue is a type of loose connective tissue. It is found around blood vessels, nerves, and in the bone marrow. Adipose tissue is another type of loose connective tissue. It is found below the skin and between internal organs. Ligaments are a type of dense connective tissue. They connect bones to other bones, keeping joints stable while allowing movement. Ligaments are very strong, elastic, and contain very little matrix. Tendons, another dense connective tissue, connect muscles to bones. Tendons are fibrous, extremely strong, but less flexible, allowing muscles to pull bones and produce movement. Together, all connective tissues work in coordination to maintain the body's structure, stability, and proper functioning.